Okay, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Mazdi. We will continue with another syllabus that we teach the student in physical education using IGCSE syllabus. Okay, the topic is the movement at the joint. Okay, topic objective for this topic objective is actually student know the four main pairs of movement around the joint, and also student understand that each movement can be at least in two direction. Okay, the first pair of the movement is adduction, okay, which is a movement that of the limb away from the midline of the body. It can occur at the shoulder and the hips. And also adduction, opposite movement to abduction, movement of the limbs toward the midline of body. Okay, the easiest example of this type of movement is actually when you are doing a jumping jack exercise. And then we have second pair, a flexion and extension. Flexion is the angle of the bones at joints decrease. It can occur at shoulder, elbow, hips and knee. Extension is angle at the bones of joint is increased. It can occur at the shoulder, elbow, hips and the knee. Okay, the location for this type of movement is almost the same. Okay, the first one, flexion happen when you at the knee of the football player. Okay, when he try to kick the ball. Okay, extension happen at the second picture. Show the extension happen, which is when the location of the ankle of the football player. Okay, and then we have next pair, we have dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Okay, dorsiflexion and plantar flexion only happen at the ankle joint. Okay, for dorsiflexion only take place at the ankle joint where the foot flex upward. Okay, and plantar flexion only take place at ankle when the foot flex downward. Okay, the first picture showing that the plantar flexion, which is the location of the ankle of the participant while doing the half squat. Okay, for dorsiflexion, the second picture is the basketball player. The location of the dorsiflexion is actually his ankle, which is point toes to the floor. And then next we have rotation. Okay, a circular movement where the part of body turn while the rest remains still, only occurs at the hips and shoulder. Okay, the easiest example of this movement is actually while you are playing cricket. Okay, when the players try to throw the ball to the opponent. Okay, thank you.